Telesin G2 upgraded battery door cover. Price is $13. With this accessories, you can use your GoPro without a battery. You can plug it to a charger or power bank. This is suitable if you're shooting time-lapse, star trails, and if you want to use your GoPro as a dash camera and record a continuous looping. The Telesin silicone case. Price is $6. This is a good protective case for your GoPro. It also has a protective case for the lens. The Telesin fast charging battery, which cost $13, and Telesin battery, which is $12. It has genuine sticker at the back. Let's open it and attach to the GoPro to see if the battery is pre-charged. This 2 extra battery will give extra video recording for your vlogs. This also has a genuine sticker at the box. Let's test it. Extra batteries is an important consideration, especially when you're traveling to different places and likes to record memorable videos.